नमस्कार। हेलो। फाइन। मैं सुहास पटेल आप सभी विद्यार्थियों का स्टैंडर्ड 9 English medium student, okay, for the maths and chapter number 12, Heron's formula. First exercise 12.1. First I read the question after we solve. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with the side A. Find the area of the single signal board using Heron's formula. Here given the equilateral triangle, question number 1. Okay, equilateral triangle given, in it means all sides are same. This is a traffic signal, triangular shape, A. Equilateral triangles, all sides are same. Now we use find the Heron's formula. Okay. So first as A plus B plus C by 2. A opposite A, B opposite B, C opposite C. Okay, so A plus A by 2, so 3A by 2 S. Okay, now area of triangle or by Heron's formula, under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So under root S means 3A by 2. S means 3A by 2 minus A. 3A by 2 minus A. Here also 3A by 2 minus A. Okay, now under root 3A by 2, we take an LCM here. So to LCM, cross multiply 3A minus 2A. Here also multiply same to same process for the LCM. Okay, so 3A minus 2A. Here also 3A minus 2A upon 2. Okay, first 3A by 2, 3 minus 2, so A by 2, A by 2, A by 2. Okay, now here under root 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. This is the 16. Here 3 A. So A raised to 4. Okay. So 3 square root not possible. So root 3. Here 16 square root, 4 square, 4 4 just 16, 4. 4 A raised to 4 square root 4 half A square. This is the area of triangle for the A side here. Okay. Now here second condition, Okay. Second condition also given here. Use the, if the perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? Here perimeter, is 180 centimeter. Okay, so here three sides are same. Okay, so dividation by 3, sides be, because equilateral triangles, so all sides be same, so side 180 by 3 6 are, so 60 centimeter. Okay, because this is equilateral triangle, all sides are same, perimeter means all sides addition, so AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, now put the value in here, area is given here, so directly area of triangle ABC, root 3 by 4, A means 60 into 60, because A square, area of triangle ABC is equal to root 3 by 4A square, so root 3 by 4, A means 60 square, so 60 into 60. Okay, this cut 2 2s are 4, 30 2s are 16, 2 30 into 30, 900 root 3 centimeter square. This is the question number 1. If perimeter is 180, so area be 900 root 3. Okay, this is the answer. Now second portion of question 2. The triangular sides wall of the flyover have been used advertisement. ट्राइंगुलर शेप है और इसके अंदर एडवर्टाइज करनी है, बराबर, जो फ्लाईओवर है उसके ऊपर ट्राइंगुलर शेप का कुछ जगह है उसमें एडवर्टाइज करनी है. The sides of the wall are 122 meters, 22 meters and 120 meter. See the given figure. Figure उसमें दी हुई है. The advertisement while and earning rupees 5,000 per meter square per yearly. यानी एक ईयर का 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का 5,000 रुपीज देना पड़ेगा एरिया का. ए कंपनी हार वन ऑफ द इट्स वॉल फॉर 3 months. ऐसे 3 महीने तक वो वॉल अपने रेंट पे ली है. हाउ मच रेंट डिड इट पे, उसको कितना रेंट देना पड़ेगा. ओके, देख लेते हैं. चलो क्वेश्चन 2 है, इसमें फिगर दी है. चलो फिगर ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. ट्रायंगुलर शेप्स है. ओके, हम नेम दे देते हैं ABC. ओके, यहाँ है 120 मीटर, (22 मीटर), यहाँ 122 मीटर, ऐसा है. ओके, दिस गिवन, this type of the triangular shape advertised for the flyover. The first A opposite small a, B opposite small b, C opposite small c. Okay, Now S means semi perimeter. So A plus B plus C by 2. Small a 120, small b 22, small c 122 by 2. First addition, 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 1 1 2. Okay, this is the addition. Cutting 132 meter. This is the semi perimeter. Okay. Now here we want to find area. Why? Because 1 meter square is 5,000 rupees is given here. Okay. So first area of triangle ABC. ABC under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Put the value under root S value here 132 minus small a 120, 132 minus small b 22, 132 minus small c 122. Okay, now 132 2 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 1, 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 2 1 1, 0, 3 minus 2 1. Okay. Now we use the factorization. Here 132. So 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 33, 3 11, 11 1 is 11. Okay. Here 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 3 1 are 3. Here 1 1 0. Okay. So 2 5 are 10, 1 remaining 2 5 are 10, 5 11, 11 1 are 11, 10 2 5 are 10. Put here 132. So 2 square 3 into 11. This also 2 square 3. 2 5 11, 2 5 11. Okay. Now here this 2 square, here also 2 square, 3 into 3, so 3 square. Okay. Now here 11, so 11 square. Remaining here only for 2 5s are 10. 10 is the remaining. Okay. So remove this square and square root. 2 2 3 11 into square root 10. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 11 is 132. 12 11 जा वैदिक मैथ करेंगे 2 2 plus 1 3, 132. So 132 square root 10 here meter square. Okay, this is 132 also 10 here 2 120 12 also 12 10 120. So here you saw 132 factorization. So we get 2 6 are 12 6 2 33 3 11. Okay, so 2 square 3 and 11 12 2 square and 3 110 remaining here 110. Here also 110 is remaining because this is also this remaining 10. Here also 2 square into 3 2 5s are 10 but 2 5s are 10 and 11 10 is remaining, so multiply here 10. Okay, because 10 is remaining factorization. So here this here 10 square, so square root 10. So answer here 2 2s are 4 4 3s are 12 12 into 11 132 0. Here meter square. Okay, because here this 10 is remaining also. Now here given rent for 3 months. Okay, we find here last question is given here. How much rent did it pay? Rent of the so rent of one wall for 3 months. Okay, so here 3 months convert into year. So we know that 1 year has a 12 month. So dividation 3 by 12. Okay. Second condition here, how many square meter? So 1320. And here this is the area 1320. This is the area of the advertisement part triangle. 1 meter square given 5000 rupees. So multiply 5000. Okay. Now cut here 12 and this cutting 12 into 11, so 132. 11 0. So rupees 3 5s are 15. 15 into 11 वैदिक मैथ्स 5 करेंगे पहले 11 से वैदिक मैथ्स होता है तो 5 का 5 1 plus 5 6 1 का 1 165 कितना है 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 this 16,050 16 lakh 50,000 rupees given for the advertisement. Okay, this is the advertisement. Now here okay, this type of advertisement is given. So this is the exercise 12.1. Question number 1 and 2 finish here. Okay, so namaskar, bye.